Today we have to see about fundamental particles of an atom and their characteristics, how to calculate the atomic mass and the atomic number. Okay, first of all we go to fundamental particles of an atom. There are three fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. Last class we studied about how the neutrons will be discovered. Now we have to study about the properties of those particles. See here, electron, proton and neutron. Okay, here see, you know very well the atom is built up of a number of subatomic particles. There are three subatomic particles of great importance in the understanding the structure of an atom are electrons, protons and neutrons. The properties of the particles that are, we must know the symbol. First of all, we know the symbol, charges and mass in AMU and the mass in gram also. Okay, first we go to electron. Electron we will write it as E, that is charge, that is mass is 0 and the charge is 1, that is -1. And the proton, the symbol is H, 1 or be written as P. Okay, next neutron, it will be written as N10, that is mass number of electron is 0, mass number of proton is 1 and mass number of neutron is 1, and charge of electron is -1, charge of proton is 1 and the charge of nucleus is 0, neutron is 0. So the atom consists, that center particle consists of proton and neutron. So there is a only positive charge, neutron does not having any charge and the electron revolving around the nucleus. So each and every atom consists of equal amount of electron and proton, so the particle will be stable. The charge, there is no charge, positive and negative charges are equal, so the atom is neutral. Okay, next we see the electron symbol is E0 -1 and charge is -1 and mass is 1837th of 1 part, that is very negligible mass. So we does not take the mass for the atom electron. Okay, next proton, H11, that is charge is +1 and the mass is 1. So we take it for the mass number. Neutron, N10, that is charge is 0 but mass is 1. It will be written in grams also. Okay, there are two structural part of an atom, the nucleus and the empty space in which there are imaginary part called orbits. See, orbits, nucleus consists of proton and neutron. Orbit consists of electron revolving in an orbit or cells. Okay, next we go to fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. The modern view of electric charge is, that is the basic properties of atom, the fundamental particles of which all matter is made up of. Atom themselves are composed of three different types of particles, that are proton, neutrons and electrons. So we go to the characteristics of the fundamental particles. Protons are positively charged particles, they are present inside the nucleus. Electrons, there are negatively charged particles, they revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit. Neutrons, there are neutral particles, they are present inside the nucleus. Okay, next you know very well. See here, now we go to how it will be represented. There are subatomic particles also here, we see later. Okay, the number of protons in an atom is known as atomic number or proton number and it is represented by the symbol Z. The mass number of an atom is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons are represented by the symbol A. So we can written as, see here, calcium I given, calcium, see here calcium I given here, it having atomic number is written as the subscript of the atom, that is 20 atomic number, and the superscript is written as mass number, that is 40. Okay, so mass number consists of, that is proton plus neutron. Atomic number consists of proton or electron. Each and every element having equal number of proton and electron. So atomic number, whenever you say atomic number, the number of protons or number of electrons is known as atomic number. Mass number, the mass number of an atom is defined as number of proton and number of neutrons. Okay, next we go here. See here I given again proton, neutron and electron. In your book, proton they symboled as H11. I written as here P plus, because in each and every places we using the symbol P plus. So I written is here. Okay, next see here. You know very well, atom is the smallest unit quantity of an element that is capable of existing either alone or in a chemical combination with other atoms or same other element. The fundamental particles which atoms are composed of, electron, proton and neutron, you know very well. Okay, how it will be presented, where it will be presented, you know very well. The nucleus of an atom consists of proton and neutrons and is positively charged. The nucleus of protium consists of a single proton. The electrons occupying a region of small around the nucleus. Nearly all the mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus, because I say electrons are negligible mass, so we omitted that one. We only taken the proton and neutron for mass of an atom. The volume of the nucleus only a tiny fraction of that of the atom. Okay, that next atomic number, the number of proton in the element, always a whole number. So atomic number always whole number. Atomic mass will be fraction or whole number. I say you later, because there is a isotopes, that time I explain you. Okay, example, oxygen atomic number is 8. So there are 8 protons in oxygen nucleus. The same way, how many electrons in an atom? Electrons and protons are same. So proton is 8 means electron also 8. Okay. Now atomic number, you see here I written as, how will you writing? Atomic number of an element is equal to the number of proton present in a nucleus of its atom. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So it will be written as this Z symbol, Z is equal to 1. Okay, here carbon will be given, carbon, proton 6, neutron 6. So electron also 6. Atomic mass, you have to add proton plus neutron. So atomic mass of carbon is 12. Okay, how will you writing the symbol? For atomic symbol, this is an element. You consist, this is an element. You have written as X, Y, Z like that. From that, the A and Z are you use correctly. A always represent, the capital A always represent the mass number. It consists of proton and neutrons. Z always represent the atomic number. It is number of protons or number of electrons. Okay, how you written here? The mass of the atom will be written as superscript of the element, and the atomic number is written as subscript of the element. See here, many elements I will be given here. See, you write it as like this, N always. So mass number is number of electron or proton, it will be written as Z plus N. Okay, atomic number of proton is you written as Z here. Okay, the element symbol is X. Okay, again I given this symbol, chemical symbol of atom. Okay, you have to identify these things. Number of protons and neutron is A and the number atomic number is Z. Suppose you write it as mass number, that is written as, see here in your book they given only hydrogen atom have proton and the nuclei, only helium atom have 2 protons. In need only gold atoms have 79 protons. This shows the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom decided when elements it is. This very important number is known as atomic number. Proton number give the symbol as Z. I already told to you. Mass number is, you know very well, that is written as A. Okay, next we go to here. See here they given some example for you. Carbon, silicon, oxygen, beryllium. The difference between the mass number element atomic number gives the number of neutron present in one atom of an element. For example, the number of neutrons in one atom, that is magnesium. See here they written like this. 2412 is number of neutrons equal to number of neutrons. How will you calculate? You write it as first the mass number. Mass number is written as A minus atomic number Z. It gives the number of neutrons. For those things, test yourself. I given no, calculate the number of neutrons in the following atoms. You must calculate in your book having. You have to calculate the mass number. Last in this video I give how to calculate. See here. Atomic number is designed as in German, so it will be written as Z stands for Zahl, which means number in German. Z can be calculated as Atomzahl or atomic number. A is the symbol recommended in the ACS style guide in need in M. Okay, how will you calculate? Calculate the atomic number of an element whose mass number is. So mass, where you written the mass number? Here see, you write it as first, you does not know the element, so you written as X. Mass number where you written in the superscript, so here mass number is 39. Okay, the number of neutron is, they given is neutron, N is equal to 20. Find the atomic number. Atomic number is number of protons. So you know very well, this one you does not know, so you have to calculate the atomic number. So you know atomic number is equal to mass minus, mass is written as A minus neutron only given, so you get the Z value, that is number of proton value, number of proton. Okay, see here A is 39 and N is 20, so you subtract this one, 19. So number of proton is 19, so atomic number is 19. Element having the atomic number 19 is potassium. Where you find this potassium? In your periodic table. Last lesson you see the periodic table. From that periodic table you have to identify which element having the mass number 19. Okay, next you see the number of protons and neutrons plus together is known as mass number. You have to identify from this one number of neutrons. How will you calculate? Number of neutrons equal to A minus Z equal to neutron. Okay, A is 4 minus 2 equal to 2. From that you have to calculate for remaining forthcoming examples also. See here also I given some of the examples with explanation. You have to calculate in your note. Okay, next you see here nitrogen also given, and again I given how to calculate those elements. Number of protons, how will you calculate? That is atomic number. Number of electrons equal to atomic number. Number of neutrons equal to mass minus atomic number. Mass is A and atomic number is Z. I already calculate for you. Okay, for those elements you have to, I calculated and give it to you, but you calculated in your notebook. Okay, again I given how will you calculate. Okay, in an element has an atomic number 34. You write it how mass number is 78. What is the number of protons equal to 34. Number of neutrons equal to 43. How will you calculate the 43? That is here A minus Z. Okay, A is 78 minus Z is 34. You subtract this one means you get the value. Okay, next I written as again. How will you calculate for oxygen 18? They given nucleide. Nucleide means that is nucleus. It consists of nucleus, that is oxygen 18. Arsenic 75, phosphorus 31. From that you have to calculate P plus N and electron. You know very well 18 is the atomic number, atomic mass. From that you have to calculate the neutron, proton and electron. Okay, here also I given some examples for you. From that you have to calculate the mass number, atomic number I already given. You have to test yourself. Okay, how will you calculate this one? Okay dears, thank you. This session will be over.